World War III. Akan ada perang dunia ketiga. Tidak hanya di seperti Ukraina, ya, in Rusia, tapi in your lifetime, in your family will be war.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum, merdeka. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I'm fine. Thanks. Well, today I'm so happy. After OKK time this morning, I'm so happy today. I'm feeling healthy. Well, today I'm going to share about vocabularies dealing with cause effect. This vocabulary is important when you want to explain something. So, dealing with the explanation. Seperti apa? Now, let's go to the explanation. Well, cause and effect. Here, when you talk about cause, it is dealing with the situation or the reason why it happened. Cause ini berkaitan dengan situasi dan alasan. Kenapa bisa terjadi? Why it happens. And effect, what happens? Apa yang terjadi? Now, I'll give you some, what we call it, example, cause effect. Study, do well. Drink tequila, hangover. Forget birthday, fight. Cough the rain, the flu. Exercise, healthy. Stay up late, sleepy. And diligent, get luck. Well, these are about cause and these are about effect. Kenapa ini terjadi dan efeknya seperti ini. Let's see one by one. One example, when you study hard, the effect, you will do well. When you study hard, you do well in your exercise, in your study. Kalau kita belajar dengan serius, dengan maksimal, automatically you will do well. Dalam hal pelajaran ini, Anda akan mendapati kemudahan because you've been studied before, udah dipelajari banyak. When you drink tequila, you will be hangover. Hangover means mabuk because you drink tequila. Tequila means minuman beralkohol. When you drink much tequila, you will be hangover, akan mabuk. Nah, this one, forget birthday. When you forgot your wife's birthday, maybe your wife will be angry. Ya, careful. Yang suka lupa dengan hari ulang tahun istrinya, biasanya mereka akan marah. Merasa dilupakan. So you will be fight each other, right? Akan perang dunia. And when you carve the rent, some people will get flu because they carve the rent. Terjebak hujan, besoknya dia akan flu. Like me, a week ago, saya sepekan lalu, I carved the rent, and after that, I got the flu. Now I'm being healthy. Alhamdulillah. And exercise. When you do a lot of exercise, of course you will be healthy. Your body will be fresh. And when you stay up late, you will be sleepy in your daily activity. Begadang, ya, stay up late, kemungkinan Anda akan ngantuk on the next day. When you are diligent, you go to the meeting on time, you can explain well with your customer, you will get lucky. You will get luck, right? Akan mendapatkan keberuntungan. So when you are more diligent, you will get luck in your lifetime. Lebih rajin, bisa mendapati keberuntungan. You come to your meeting on time. You can explain your product well and diligently. Maybe you will get luck. Okay. In these vocabularies, there is a connected word. Ada kata yang mengaitkan, menyambungkan. So we can say conjunction. First, ada so, because, since, as a result, due to, as a consequence, therefore, thus, and hence. These words are connection word. One sentence to another sentence are connected by these words. Mana Ustaz? Berangkat. Okay. Mantap. Well, I'll give you the example. This is the vocabularies, and I will give the examples in written way. Contoh yang lain. Mr. John forgot his anniversary, so his wife is angry. Pak John lupa dengan hari pernikahan bersama istrinya. Can you imagine? His wife is angry. There will be World War III. World War III. Akan ada perang dunia ketiga. Tidak hanya di seperti Ukraina, ya, in Rusia, tapi in your lifetime, in your family will be war. Okay, just kidding. Jadi jangan pernah melupakan your anniversary time with your couple. Jangan lupakan hari pernikahan bersama pasangan Anda. Okay, and this is there is connection word in so. I underline here after comma. Mr. John forgot his anniversary, comma. So, I told you that is so. His wife is angry. Istrinya marah. Ada so. Pak John lupa dengan hari pernikahan dengan istrinya. Jadi, istrinya marah. Okay, another example. There is because. Okay. Karena. Because I studied hard, I did well. Suppose that you are going to have an examination. Katakanlah Anda ingin mengadakan atau ulangan ya, mengadakan ulangan 1 pekan. So you studied hard, pagi siang malam, you read more, you practice more, you do more. So you will do well when you get the examination. Pada saat hari H ulangannya mungkin you can answer everything. Anda bisa mengerjakan banyak. Gitu ya. So because I studied hard, I did well. And one more thing, dealing with Mr. John forgot his anniversary, so his wife is angry. So since you forgot, I will tell you again. Gitu ya. Karena Anda lupa, saya katakan lagi, saya ingatkan lagi, saya ceritakan lagi. Gitu ya, ada since di sini. Sir, bisakah because and since ini ditaruh di tengah? You can make it, bisa. Contoh, I did well because I studied hard. Saya bisa mengerjakan tugas-tugas ulangan karena saya melakukan belajar lebih maksimal. Karena belajar maksimal, jadi saya bisa melakukan ulangan. I will tell you again since you forgot. Saya akan katakan kepada Anda lagi, karena Anda lupa. You forgot everything. Tidak ya, jangan pernah melupakan your beloved couple. Jangan pernah melupakan pasangan Anda. Well, di sini ada contoh lain as a result. As a result of ocean becoming warmer, coral reefs are dying. Ya. Karena oceans becoming warmer, samudra itu menjadi hangat bahkan panas ya. Coral reefs are dying. Jadi karang dan terumbu yang lainnya pada mati. Ya. So as a result of oceans becoming warmer, coral reefs are dying. Or you can change. Due to ocean becoming warmer, coral reefs are dying. Or as a consequence, oceans becoming warmer, coral reefs are dying. Gitu ya. Konsekuensinya ocean itu menjadi hangat, bahkan panas, ya coral reefs-nya pada mati. Ya. Terumbu karangnya pada mati. This one as a result of is really formal. Formal words, ya, formal words. This is formal, but the effect is negative. Kata formal tapi efeknya negatif. Contohnya tadi, coral reefs are dying. This is negative. Gitu ya. Well, another word is therefore, thus, and hence. Contoh, I drank tequila. Thus, I was hangover. Saya minum tequila. Thus, I was hangover. Or, I drank tequila. Therefore, I was hangover. Saya banyak minum tequila. Oleh karenanya, saya mabuk. I drank tequila, hence I was a hangover. It's the same. Well, I think enough for the explanation. Well, you know, if you got question, please give question and write in in column comment below. I think enough for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for understanding the message. One for sure is we need more practice. Kita perlu banyak latihan, latihan, and latihan. Practice, practice, practice. So, how is it, sir? Bagaimana caranya? Yeah, you can watch this movie in what we call it. Yeah, you can watch it again. Watch it again. Okay, I think enough for today. Make sure that you write the comments, the conclusion of this lesson today, so I can see who has watched the video. Paling tidak, berikan komentar, apapun itu, sehingga saya bisa melihat ternyata yang sudah memahami materi ini siapa saja. Thank you so much for everything. See you next time. Have a nice day. Walhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Merdeka.